Emotional behavioral disorder, often called EBD, can be disruptive and cause problems within the classroom as well as outside of the classroom. There are many ways to make accommodations and modifications for the child to have a successful year, but first let's talk about some of the characteristics to look out for regarding this behavioral disorder. A child with EBD is more likely to be isolated and may have trouble forming and keeping relationships with adults and other peers. Their behavior may be impulsive and aggressive, such as hitting and yelling out, as shown in this clip. Managing this type of behavior in the classroom may be hard, but if you make the right accommodations and modifications, it will make class management much easier. Some accommodations in the classroom may include allowing extra time on tests to relieve the stress of time, and also being flexible and allowing the student to work alone, even if it is not an individual assignment. This allows for the student to be able to work in an environment that they work better in, allowing them to focus on the assignment rather than the social stress related to it. A more creative route would be to make a calm down corner. This is a place where a student can go to calm down by playing with some toys and remove themselves from a stressful or aggravating situation, allowing them to calm down and prevent an impulsive outburst. A modification pertaining to EBD would be if a student is not working well with the assignment and is having trouble producing the work, altering this assignment to make it fit their needs and also align with their interests. If the student sees the interest in the assignment, the more likely they will get it done. Some assistive technologies that can help students are graphic organizers to help give them structure, Edmark calculators that simplify math by showing it in visuals to help ease the stress of the problem, and something as simple as playing music or allowing iPods or phones to play music to help drown out other distractions and help the student focus. Outside of the classroom is another story. On the playground, there are many opportunities for stressful social situations that may cause aggression and acting out towards others, or on the flip side, there's a chance for isolation from their peers. To avoid these situations, it is important to accommodate these students and be able to set up different games to include all of the students. This allows for a healthy way to bring the class together and relieve social tensions and stressors a recess may bring to students with EBD. Another accommodation that has been servicing is the buddy bench. This is a bench where students who have no one to play with sit on the bench, and then their peers are able to acknowledge it and invite them to come and play. This will reduce any social situations and stressors of trying to find a peer to play with. A modification at recess may include setting up social goals before recess. This will allow the student to have a goal to work towards.